Welcome to Montgomery County's Water Quality Protection Charge Application Walkthrough Series. This video will guide you through our Water Quality Protection Charge Maintenance Questionnaire for dry wells and storm chambers. These questions are used to evaluate the condition of your facility so you can receive the correct amount of credit. With this video, self-inspection will be quick and easy. Starting from Montgomery County's Water Quality Protection Charge webpage, follow the link below if you're having any trouble finding it. Click on Ready to Apply for Reduction, Get Started. This page should appear next. Check Credit Application Single Family Residential and enter your property tax ID or your house address. Once your information is entered, it will bring you to the Homeowner's Inspections Questions page. Read through and verify, complete if needed, information in the Welcome, Owner Contact Information, and Property Map sections. These sections are just a review of your contact and property information. Then you will come to the first question of the Facility Information section. Is the facility shown on the map with a dot symbol? Next to some of these questions, there will be a blue question mark that when scrolled over gives you additional information. For this question, it notes that if the facility is not there, you are not eligible for the credit. To answer this question, go back to the map section and ensure there is a dot symbol on your property. If there is, click yes and the next question should appear. Second question, is the facility currently present on your property? Look for your drywall observation well caps around where the dot symbols are shown on your map. These are the most common caps found, but keep an eye out for different types. Make sure they are on your property. Third question, are your gutters and downspouts free of debris or blockages? Cleaning your gutters is very important for functioning drywells. Leaves and debris can enter through your downspouts and they can become clogged. Make sure you, a professional, are cleaning out your gutters routinely. Fourth question, are pretreatment devices, debris screens, or filters in place? These may be at the point where your gutter meets the downspout or in line along the downspout. Pretreatment devices such as gutter guards are commonly used and easily installed. There are also filter options that are installed directly on downspouts such as the FlexGuard filter or leaf eaters. Fifth question, check your pretreatment devices. Is it blocked? Pretreatment devices should be free of all debris such as leaves, sticks, or sludge. Routine gutter and downspout maintenance is important to maintain drywall functionality. If debris and leaves enter your drywall, it can become clogged and fail. Sixth question, is the splash block present? Remember, the splash block should be slanted away from the foundation of your home and water should be able to exit freely. Splash blocks should be found and positioned directly below the overflow pipe of your downspout. They should be slanted away to avoid erosion, foundation damage, and flooding. Seventh question, is the grassy area around the overflow near the splash block free of erosion with vegetation covering at least 90% of the area? Erosion leads to polluted runoff leaving your property. It can decrease the effectiveness of your drywall and result in a decline of aesthetic value. If there is erosion, use cedar sod to reestablish vegetation. Eighth question, observation/cleanout pipes. Buried drywalls have white pipes that stick up from the ground. Are caps present? Broken or missing caps allow debris or insects to enter your drywall. Replace broken caps as soon as possible to avoid any clogging or pest issues. Ninth question, observation/cleanout pipes. Open the caps, you may need a wrench. Is there standing water more than 3 days after a rain event? If there is standing water, it may mean your drywall is clogged and not functioning properly. Contact us at 311 if it has been more than 5 days since your rain event. Also refer to our drywall maintenance video for more tips. Finally, take a picture of your observation well and upload it to this application. Click Save and Continue, and congratulations, you have completed the Water Quality Protection Charge self-inspection.